A simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a metallic ball called bob, hung by a perfectly inextensible and weightless string. When a bob is at rest position in a straight line, it is in its mean position. When the bob is displaced from its mean position and then released, it makes to and fro movement about its mean position. If the pendulum moves from one extreme position to the other and back to the first, it is said to have performed one oscillation. Time period. The time period of a simple pendulum is defined as the time required by the pendulum to complete one oscillation. Frequency. The frequency of the simple pendulum is defined as the number of oscillations performed per unit time. The length of a simple pendulum is the length from the point of suspension from the center of the ball. Let us perform an experiment to observe that the time period varies with the length of the pendulum. Number 1. Suspend the bob by a perfectly inextensible and weightless string. Number 2. Measure the length of the string from point of suspension and the center of the bob. Number 3. Gently pull the bob pendulum from one extreme end in such a way that it moves from one extreme position to the other and back to the first. Number 4. Take a stopwatch and record the time a pendulum takes to complete 10 oscillations. Number 5. Time period of simple pendulum will be time taken to complete 10 oscillations divided by number of oscillations. Number 6. Repeat the process with different length of pendulum. Number 7. Plot the graph with time on x-axis and length on y-axis. You will get a curve graph. Number 9. From this graph, we infer that time period varies with the length of the pendulum.